Tired of shampoos that leave your hair feeling dry and brittle? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but also deeply nourishes your hair, restoring softness and shine from root to tip. Our ultra-moisturizing formula does exactly that, gently cleansing without stripping away essential moisture, so your hair feels smooth and hydrated after every wash. I've tried countless shampoos claiming to hydrate, but this one stands out. The moment you lather it in, the enchanting peach and grapefruit scent lifts your mood. More importantly, the rich blend of natural oils like Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil, Shea Butter, and Jojoba Seed Oil works beneath the surface, repairing dry strands and protecting hair from daily damage. After just a few washes, my hair felt noticeably softer and looked healthier, without any heaviness or residue. What sets this shampoo apart is its unique combination of antioxidants and fatty acids, which not only moisturize but also shield your hair from environmental stressors. It's a simple step that makes a big difference, especially if your hair tends to dry out or lose its natural bounce. Plus, the gentle formula means it's suitable for all hair types, even sensitive scalps. If you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves, this shampoo is worth a look. It's a small bottle packed with benefits that make every wash feel like a mini spa treatment. While the price might be a bit higher than your average shampoo, the visible and tangible results make it a smart investment in your hair's health. Why settle for less when you can nourish and revive your hair with a formula designed to hydrate deeply and smell fantastic? Try it when you're ready to experience the difference that true moisture and care can make.